Can SteamOS actually replace Windows for PC gaming? Today, we're installing SteamOS on our Ryzen PC, benchmarking its gaming performance and finding out if it can run Windows apps. For this video, we'll be using an AMD Ryzen 5 8600G with integrated graphics and 16GB of RAM. Interestingly, these specifications are quite similar to what you'll find in handheld gaming devices like the Lenovo Legion Go and mini gaming PC. To get started, we'll download the official Steam Deck recovery image from the SteamOS website. At the time of recording, the latest release is SteamOS 3.7.7. Once the download is complete, we'll use Rufus to flash the image onto a USB drive and create a bootable installer for SteamOS. Next, restart your PC and open the boot menu. From there, select the USB drive we just created to boot into the SteamOS installer. Once SteamOS loads, you'll be taken to the desktop environment where you'll find the wipe device and install SteamOS option. Simply double-click it and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process typically takes around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your hardware. Once you finish setting up and logging into SteamOS, you'll land on the home screen with your full game library. In Settings, you can check the current Steam Deck OS version and your hardware specs. You'll also see a notification for the SteamOS 3.8 official update, which brings multiple fixes, including improvements for AMD GPUs. We ran a benchmark of Black Myth Wukong on SteamOS at 1080p with the lowest settings, and the results were solid. The game averaged around 54 FPS, with peaks going up to 61 FPS. Overall, this makes it fully playable and delivers a smooth handheld-like gaming experience. To switch to desktop mode on your PC, you can use the Steam menu button. From there, you can install apps through the Discover App Store. You can also install web browsers like Firefox and Google Chrome directly from the store. We even installed Lutris from the store, which lets you run non-Steam games on your SteamOS setup. To run native Windows apps on SteamOS, we downloaded and installed Winboat. Winboat lets you run a Windows virtual environment where you can use your favorite Windows applications. We've got a full Winboat setup tutorial on the channel. Check the link in the corner. After Winboat finishes installing Windows 11 Pro on SteamOS, you can access your Windows environment by going into Apps and selecting Windows Desktop. This gives you a full Windows 11 experience using RDP. The performance is fairly smooth and close to what you'd expect on a native Windows system. You can install apps like Adobe Photoshop and many other software tools. Although video editing applications are not recommended at this stage, you can access built-in Windows applications, install software from the Microsoft Store, or even tools from the Adobe Suite. This can be done either by entering Windows Desktop mode or by using the Apps tab inside Winboat. And this shows how we've transformed SteamOS from being just a gaming-focused system into a surprisingly capable productivity environment as well. If this helped, make sure to check out the other tutorials on the channel for more SteamOS and PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching.